Are you ready to make the most amazingly delicious filled Bolognese cookies you've ever tasted? I'm about to share my grandma's secret recipe that makes these cookies melt in your mouth. You're going to love how easy they are to whip up and how everyone goes nuts for them. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, combine sugar, butter, salt, ricotta, and baking powder. Add the eggs and mix, then add the sifted flour and knead the ingredients together until well combined. The consistency should be similar to a classic pie dough. Cover it with plastic wrap and allow it to rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour. On a floured surface, roll the dough to a thickness of 2 to 3 millimeters. Use an 8 cm cookie cutter or an 8 cm diameter glass to cut discs from the dough. Place a teaspoon of Bolognese Mostarda in the center of each disc. You can also fill with Nutella, jam, pastry cream. Brush the edges with a little milk to better seal them and fold the dough over to create a half-moon shape, sealing the edges firmly. You can seal the edges with your fingers or a fork. Arrange your Raviole Bolognesi on the baking sheet. Brush with a little milk and top with granulated sugar or rainbow sprinkles. Bake in the preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. Let cool completely. Now you can serve your Bolognese biscuits, or you can soak some in the Alchermes liqueur for 1 second per side. Let dry well before serving. Enjoy!